Hi guys! So today's video is a little bit different. It's kind of vlog style, and please forgive me, I am vlogging on my phone. Oh, I don't know how this is going to work. There's no flip out screen. The last time I vlogged there was no flip out screen and it was a total disaster. Not to mention the fact that the camera that I was using was just really crappy quality and most of it was night shots. But anyway, it's Saturday the 9th of June and today me, my dad, my little brother and my sister-in-law are all going down to Edinburgh to watch the Rolling Stones in concert. So, of course, I just figured that I would need to vlog this. Whether or not I get an awful lot of footage outside of the concert, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to get some good clips of the concert. It's at Murrayfield, so I think it's going to be absolutely epic. If anybody else likes the Rolling Stones, I was pretty much brought up listening to them because my dad absolutely loves them. So yeah, I thought I would take you guys along. I'll get a few clips on the way down the road and stuff like that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think I'm getting the cold, but today is going to be a good day. So I will catch up with you at some point. I have no idea what else to say right now. I need to get ready. I've only got 15 minutes before they arrive to pick me up. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Guess what it is?
Willie.
Guess what it is? It's a key. No, what is that one? It's a the inner beat. The inner
Stop touching his needle beat. Who wants that?
Oh!
Idiot. Okay, so I'm in the room at the hotel just now and I'm actually in a total hurry to get out, so yeah, I'm just going to say that now we're heading off to get something to eat and get a few drinks in before the concert, and then I'll hopefully get a few clips of at the concert. But yeah, sorry it's such a short check-in, but I have to go because everybody else is ready and I'm the last. Okay, so where the fuck are you going? This is going to make a good
I was not built to run.
Okay, so that's a good start. Oh, okay. We are one prosecco.
Oh! Just keep happening.
We're one bottle of prosecco down, and
Pale ale.
nearly and a pale ale. That sounds weird. Yeah. And nearly getting run over by traffic, but I was gonna say that's Murrayfield, but this is Murrayfield.
This is what your daughter does.
We're one bottle of prosecco down and a pale ale, and nearly getting hit by 2 cars, 3 cars, would you say?
2, maybe 3.
So which way's east?
And heading into the stadium to go and see the Rolling Stones.
Well, we're Bonnie, but you want
Your face just ended up in it.
You will need Ailey.
What? What about me?
Walking around. Wow, lemming. Like sheep.
Mice. More like mice. This is realness right now. What?
$5.30 for a tennis.
What have we got? Like options wise. Did you see?
Not English.
This is the first time I've been.
Never been into it.
It's just a change of something in my liberty. And I'm old and now. Is it